Hey everyone who uses U-channel on the faces of their structures. This is a quick and easy way of installing plastic or polyfilm over the face of your structures. I definitely recommend that. However, not all of our structures use the U-channel method. If you are using the U-channel method, we usually run a piece of U-channel along the bottom like this, and then we'll just do the verticals and butt those up right on top of the bottom piece. And then after that, you really just want to put U-channel around every area that's gonna be a door or a vent or anything like that, so the plastic will have something to hold on to there. One other thing I want to point out is that as you come towards the top here, you can see that we hammered in the top corners here so that it's not a sharp edge that the plastic can get snagged on as we're pulling the plastic up and over the face. And so it's just a little extra precaution that we recommend in order to make sure that when you're just installing it, you don't get extra tears or holes from it catching on the sharp edges of U-channel.